Hey there. Are you ready? I've been waiting a while for this.
Psh, as usual. I'm all strapped up for this.
Oh, now this is getting really exciting.
Well then, if you're ready, let's head right on in.
Oh yeah, it's Minecraft time!
I wonder how my farm is right now. Let's see.
It's finally time to defeat the end! Dirt Dragon.
Is something wrong?
This seems off. It doesn't look like we're in Minecraft. Well, wait a minute. Where the hell are we? Did we end up in the wrong game? This isn't right at all. Nothing is even square.
Bob, just take a few deep breaths. We'll be alright. Just relax a little.
Oh, no. Bosip, don't tell me I ended up in Fortnite.
Alright now. Bob, you need to calm down. Don't worry, we're going to be fine, man. Let me pull up my phone and ask him about it. He finally replied. So, apparently we're inside of a popular game known as Friday Night Funkin'.
And? What are we supposed to do to get out of here?
Well, he told us that we have to locate a couple known as boyfriend and girlfriend, challenge them to a rap battle, and then we'll be out of here in no time. That's all. I'm looking forward to seeing how he'll be rapping, though.
Huh? What does that even mean? Why do we need a rap battle to leave? Who the hell even names themselves boyfriend and girlfriend? Was that their parents?
Don't worry about it, Bob. I'm positive we'll recognize them at the moment we run into them. Let's not panic.
What the? Is that them?
Are you boyfriend? I guess we found him.
Whoa, now really? This guy? Damn, he is tiny. Like, midget small. Alrighty, I'll be the one who takes you on then, Chuckle Nuts. You'll be messing with the wrath of a handsome siren, a melody where no king can resist bowing down to me alone.
Excuse me, miss. Do you mind if I stand there next to you? Alright, thanks.
Party rock is in the house tonight. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh god. Bob, you good, dude? You fought with him for like 6 hours straight. Yeah, he'll be fine, I suppose. Just give him a couple minutes to wake up.
My dignity, my life essence, died in shambles.
Well, guess I'm up next for the challenge. A little revenge couldn't hurt. I ain't taking it easy on you, little man. You better be ready for this one. Let's get it rolling. 3, 2, 1, go. That went worse than I thought. Oh well, at least I managed to do my best while I could.
Dude! How are we supposed to get out of here now? At this rate, we'll never be able to go home.
Yeah, you're right. We've been out here for the entire day. The moon is already out. That little dude has got some mad skills to working us up like this.
Bullshit? What's on with your phone?
Who's calling us?
What's happening? Your screen, it's...
Huh. I don't really know. Why is it glowing like that?
Hey guys, what's up? How's everyone doing after your little match? Hope you're all fine after the fiasco.
Mind helping us finally get out of here?
Yeah, man. This little guy here has been kicking our asses left and right. We've been stuck here all day.
Please tell me you know a way out of all this. We really need to leave.
I just want to move on to the next game already.
Alright, let's simmer down now, dudes. I'll make sure to get you both out of this mess, okay? Get moving over here for me if you can. So, you're BF, huh? How about we have some fun? Let's have a round. I can't exactly in your world right now, but I'm sure you wouldn't mind that, right? Alright then. Let's end this fiasco right now. Just the two of us in the final round. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh well. And my downfall was going to happen eventually. I had fun battling against you though. Good game indeed.
Now, just you wait a minute. Amor! Hey! You realize you just lost, right? How the hell are we supposed to get back home now?
Bob, you should really calm down.
Not only that, what did you mean by you knew it? You knew you were gonna lose or something?
Yup. You see, I did all of this on purpose. It's actually because of something I've been planning on making for a while.
Planning? What?
What? Huh? What are you?
So you see, I've been inspired by the amount of talent in this community. I decided to make a mod myself, so I put you two here in this game in order to create my own mod. Although I didn't know that it would have taken you guys this long to finish it. Why are you all just standing there? Are you guys confused? What's the matter here?
What the fuck?